Hello there, today I'm showing you how to cut and style the wig for ᴜ괱ᴅ. This is the lace front wig I ordered. You will need a hairdryer, some cheap hairspray, some strong hairspray, a few elastic bands, a bunch of pins, a teaser comb, of course scissors, some big hair clips, and some smaller hair clips. Part your wig in 4 sections and wrap the sections with hair ties. Cut off the sections and make sure to leave enough length to be able to work with it afterwards. Now you can start to roughly cut the shape of the haircut you wish to have, and keep in mind that it easily can get too short, so be careful about cutting away too much. Take 2 strands right before the ear and secure them with hair ties. Clip away everything that has to stay long and start to cut the rest of the wig a bit shorter. Don't forget to cut a transition between the long and the short part so that you have no harsh lines in your wig. Blow dry the wig down to straighten the fibers. Tie away the top hair and shorten the wig, especially on the front side, a bit more. Hold your wig upside down and blow dry it. After that you can see uneven parts and fix them. Styling time! Now you can tease all parts of your wig, just tease them, it doesn't have to be neat. spray on some cheap hairspray and blow dry the hairstyle roughly in shape. When you're quite satisfied with how it looks, take your strong hairspray and make everything bulletproof. I use the small pins to keep the back hair in place after hairspraying it. To keep the top hair spikes in place, I use the small pins and a hairdryer. To define the top hair spikes, I sprayed on a small amount of strong hairspray and styled them in shape. The back hair wasn't flat enough for my taste, so I sprayed and blow dried it again. And that's the finished work. I hope me and you see each other in the next video. Thanks for watching.